Let's start. Hey, hey. Nah, fuck that shit. Let's program this shit. Let's program. We started streaming. Let's program. We're gonna program like a good gentleman. We're gonna program. So let's program. Wait, Uncle Curry uses. Shit, we just program it to itself. So you see what I just did? I did a red LED RGB. You know, this the shit that I did by myself. A red RGB. I will say, you guys, this is what I did. We have a flow. Transparent. Fuck, always. Wish I had a big board so we could do math, but no, no, it's expensive. Everything is such expensive. Could we do our shit now? So we're gonna program now. So now we're gonna program. We're gonna write beautiful code for a beautiful girl. My girlfriend is Yummy. My girl is Yummy. That's my girlfriend. Um, oh, that's my girl. That's my girlfriend. Okay, wait. We're doing so now. We wanna. I wanna do I want to do the mathematics. We're just going through everything with ChatGPT and everything. With the no, not writing code, but the communication with the remotes. I wanted to do that, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think it's a waste of a lot of time. But we might just do that. Should we do that? I think we should. Going over PWM, going over PWM, the LCD, just going over those stuff. I think we should. I think I should just write like, just going, yeah. I think I should do that. Should I, when I stop doing that, should I do it? But I wanna, I could do it live. But I want to do it live. I want to do it and do it live and talk to people. Or maybe just talk to myself. Maybe do it. But I'm a live guy. I'm a live streamer right now. But I'm probably gonna do that. I think that's a good idea. Like then present it in one way. When I do math, then present it in one way, explain it in one way, teach myself, then present, then find another alternative way to present something. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. Should we do it? Should we do this? It's the guy that had the good shit. Sometimes we have the good weed. There's people with good weed out here. Yeah. There's mm, yeah, no, I'm fucking up. Maybe my cousin should buy me his big screen. I'm just joking. He would never do that. He's got a big fucking screen in his room and he's a gamer. He does Twitch. Told him to do YouTube. He's a gamer. I think I'm gonna get a graphics card. Not a graphics card, a video capture card just to start gaming. Wait, what? Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Infrared communication is widely used and easy to implement wireless technology that has many useful applications. The most prominent example in the day-to-day life are TV, video, remote control, motion sensors, and infrared thermometers. Yeah, there are plenty of interesting Arduino projects that use RF communicate. See, this doesn't really get deep into the mathematics, and we don't want to do that because we'll start like I know mathematics, but I'm gonna start self-teaching myself because you know what, I could be like one of the best people in mathematics right now. Just like I just jumped in calculus, like it was just oh my gosh, and I spent a lot of money. Gosh, that's the part. Sometimes I spend a lot of money just to learn a lesson I shouldn't have been learning. I put some MIT courses, not knowing mathematics, because I went to like the school that I went to before the school was like bad in math. There are plenty of interesting Arduino projects that use RL communication too. With a simple RL transmitter and a receiver, you can make remote control robots, distance sensors, heart rate monitors. With a simple RA transmitter and a receiver, RA transmitter and a receiver, remote control, distance sensors, heart rate monitors. Yeah, more or less. See, this is what I'm buying, but not now. The infrared radiation is a form of light. Can you do it like this? Infrared radiation is a form of light similar to the lights we see around. Okay, infrared radiation is a form of light similar to the light we see around us. The difference between IR lights and visible light is the frequency and the wave. Frequency and the wavelength. Okay, let's see what is frequency and what is wavelength. Infrared radiation lies outside the range of visible. We can know what's frequency and wavelength. Can we watch a YouTube channel? Like, but we're not really diving deep into it. But I might just do a separate thing, just diving deep. Okay, because I think they even have a graph here. A typical infrared communication requires a typical infrared communication system requires a IR transmitter and an IR receiver. The transmitter looks just like a standard LED, except it produces light in the IR spectrum instead of visible spectrum. If you have a look at the front of your television, you will see an IR transmitter. Okay, the same type of LED is used in IR transmit. The same type of LED is used in IR transmitter breakout boards. Arduino, you can see. Okay, we have one here. Let's take one out. This is this an IR board? So I have one like this. I'm trying to see if it is. Because I was watching somebody had, I think he had exactly the one that I have. Yeah, some people do cool shit, yeah. Wait, is this an IR transmitter? I think it is. There was this other guy. Yeah, it's the same as this one. IR transmitter. Wait. Where's ground? How do I see the definition of ground? Wait. I have this. If anybody's on. See? The boy is right. The IR receiver is a photodiode and preamplifier that converts IR light into electrical signal. IR receiver diodes typically look like this. What is a photodiode? What is a photodiode? What is a photodiode? DeepSeek has some cool shits. DeepSeek. Sometimes I like my Chinese friends, you know. I like to use these shits. Basmati. My gosh. Really, you want me to do this? You're supposed to go in straight up. What's the point of logging with Google now? I have to do this all the time. Even the other one is taking its goddamn time. Even like Kimi, I think I'm gonna even put Kimi here. I like putting my options. Uh, I want to put this on desktop. How do you put this on desktop? Uh, okay, I want this to be on my desktop. I want this to be one of the icons that I go straight to. Is it? Do I put this? DeepSeek. I like DeepSeek. I want to put it as my desktop. I want to put this as my desktop. Okay. What did I want to see? The IR light is emitted by the sun, light bulbs, and everything that produces heat. That means there is a lot of IR light noise all around us. To prevent this noise from interfering with our RF signal, a signal modulation technique is used. In a IR signal modulation, an encoder on the IR remote converts a binary signal into a modulated electrical signal. The electrical signal is sent to the transmitting LED. The transmitting LED converts the modulated electrical signal into a modulated IR light signal. The IR receiver modulates the IR light signal and converts it back to binary before passing the information to a microcontroller. Takes binary information, converts. You need to look at a transmitter and receiver. This is supposed to be a transmitter. Ne? Okay, this is a transmitter. This is a receiver. Ne? Yeah, this is the receiver. This is the transmitter. Basically, it takes binary, converts it. Okay, in the RR, the encoder on the RR remote converts binary signals into modulated electrical signals. The electrical signal is sent to the transmitting LED, and the transmitted LED converts the modulated electrical signal into modulated R. See, I'm gonna learn this when I start doing the hacking thing. But right now, I don't really need to dive deep into this. Wait. It's ground. Wait. The pattern in which modulated RR signals convert into binary transmission code. Many are like I don't really need to learn this because I won't be diving too deep into see I won't be diving too deep into the okay, what I can do is which one is ground? Let's see we have this. Do you know which one's ground? So this is ground. Wait, I might just need to just forget about this code for a bit. You should just forget about this code for a bit. Hmm. Do another. Why is my laptop hot? I don't understand. See, we're not gonna do this in depth. So each time you press a button, remote control unique Exodus code is generated. This information that is transmitted and sent to the IRS. See, this requires a lot of maths, which we're gonna do, but not now. mixture. So right now what we're gonna do is just program this because that makes more sense. Do we have anybody watching? Let's see. Probably not. Probably not. Nobody's watching. Somebody watch. Somebody watch. Somebody watch. What you don't want to watch? What you want to watch? That's a brand new and brand new. Nigga, watch in this program. Let's do this shit. Just watch me program. Okay, this is the ground. This is the ground. Okay. What are we gonna do? Okay, let's take this out. Let's take this out. And another clipboard. Really matters. Because we're just learning new stuff. So we're learning this. We don't know it yet. So I'm thinking I'll just like program it like this. Let's just do, yeah. I'm gonna do the Arduino. But yeah. This thing is like moving. It's like easy to move. It's the ground. Okay. Ground with voltage. Let's have up 5 with ground voltage. Do we have a smaller one? Okay. I think I might need a good thing to know that. Again. Wait, let's put this in the charger. Not. It's okay. It's okay, this is voltage. See, I got an injury here. Okay, wait, this. Maybe I should just do a different color. And I did put voltage goes to, voltage goes to 5 volts. Voltage is the middle, ground is this one. Ground, go to ground, ground. Put ground. Ground. This is ground. Download. Like Microsoft here boring again. There's nothing more boring than Microsoft. Microsoft is one of the most boring companies. Basically, they create shit. Gosh, Microsoft. There is nothing boring like Microsoft. Oh gosh.